2026, the St. Lucia Social Development Fund and Massey Stores St. Lucia marks their official partnership. Executive Director of the St. Lucia Social Development Fund, Saturninus Victorine, stated that the two are focused on the implementation of their job placement program, which is a critical component of other projects. Clip. He explained that participants engaged in training sessions, including life skills and career guidance. They would then be secured with employment opportunities, which the partnership with In turn, Massey would benefit by being able to select from a group of trained individuals. Clip. Victorine said the company is expecting strong retention and productivity levels as participants have been properly prepared for the workplace experience. Victorine said the company is expecting strong retention and productivity levels as participants Massey Stores St. Lucia Human Resource Assistant Heidi Curson welcomed the partnership with the SSDF and expressed hope that more individuals can gain employment opportunities within the sector. Clip. Curson said Massey Stores has dedicated learning and development programs aimed at building Curson said Massey Stores has dedicated learning and development programs aimed at building skills and improving.
An assessment revealed abrasions to her left lower extremity. She was treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
She added that participants will benefit from continued mentorship and personal growth opportunities, while expressing hope that the partnership with the SSDF will continue to create more positive experiences in the future. Clip. Curson said she looks